once amidst a series of failures to score. But their solitary victories won more than their hosts. It's the first time in 12 years Southampton have failed to win any of their first 5 league games. The top competitions this season. Adam Armstrong still waits for his first at St Mary's. Wolves had only made 1 change in the league all season, but there are 3 today. It's the same back 3 that's featured in every Premier League match under Bruno Lage, despite speculation that Willy Bolly might earn a recall.
Yeah. Try and create an overload in the centre of the pitch, but it's how Southampton cope.
Abilities today will also be crucial for the Saints. Hwang Hee-chan used to be early. Just 1 win in 10 games between them. Today brings a chance for one to ease the tension. Peters combining well on that left flank as they did at Manchester City. Ward-Prowse with the delivery. Yeah, that's easy.
Salisu, I think it is.
Armstrong knocking it forward. Elliott. Israel Jimenez. Couldn't find the way. Armstrong again finding space. Then trying to let the ball run across his body. Find Redmond again.
Taking on the fullback, Tomato has to work harder to stop the cross. Marcel does
game size. That's a nice ball as well. Marcel with the time to measure the.
อะไรครับวอร์ดพราวครับเปิดโค้งมาโดนหม่งไว้ได้ก่อนครับโมเมนต์เอลยูนูซี่เปิดโด่งมาลูกนี้ไม่มีโค้งด้วยแล้วดีดลูกนี้โอ้โหเรียบร้อยเลยครับมันน่าสนใจตรงที่ว่าตัวสุดท้ายเป็นนาธานเรดมอนด์ครับสั้นๆปัดลูกนี้โอ้โหยังตรงตัวครับโอ้โหแล้วดูครับจังหวะที่อาร์มสตรองซัดเข้ามาเลยครับก็แก้ตัวได้สกัดได้บอลจังหวะ2ยังได้อยู่ลองซัดดูเอลยูนูซี่